Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg soufflé in a microwave. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of full-fat mayonnaise, and a pinch of coarse salt. Next, prepare your cooking vessel by lightly greasing an 8-ounce microwave-safe ramekin or mug with a little olive oil. This ensures your soufflé won't stick and will rise beautifully. Now for the secret to a truly fluffy soufflé: whisking. In a spouted measuring cup, combine your large egg, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and the pinch of coarse salt. Vigorously whisk this mixture for a full 20 seconds. You'll notice it becoming pale, thick, and creamy. This vigorous whisking incorporates air, which is absolutely essential for achieving that delicate, soufflé-like texture. With your mixture ready, carefully pour it into the prepared 8-ounce ramekin. Do not cover it. Place the ramekin in your microwave and cook on full power for about 50 seconds. Microwave strengths differ, so keep an eye on it. The egg should be puffed and fluffy, perhaps just a tiny bit wet in the center, but definitely not overcooked. Once cooked, carefully remove the hot ramekin from the microwave. Be mindful, as it will be very warm. Now for the finishing touches. You can top your delicious, fluffy egg soufflé with a couple of turns of fresh black pepper, a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese, or some diced chives. Serve it immediately to savor its light and creamy texture. Enjoy your quick and delightful breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.